In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the LED freezer light in your Whirlpool refrigerator. If you need to buy a new LED light, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. For this repair, unplug or disconnect the power supply to the refrigerator. For video purposes, we're going to remove the freezer door and both freezer drawers to give better access to the light. This is optional, however, you may find it easier to remove at least the top drawer. You can watch our other video that shows how to remove these parts. The light has two locking tabs on the front side that you'll need to depress. To remove the light, insert a putty knife between the light and the compartment liner to depress the locking tabs and rotate the light out. Then, disconnect the electrical connector. You may need to use a tool to depress the locking tab. When shopping for a new LED light, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. To reinstall the light, first reconnect the electrical connector by aligning and pushing until it snaps back in place. Then, tuck the wires into the opening. Position the light with the LED strip facing out. And press the light until it snaps into place. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this and these, please consider subscribing.